Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Masons Online Classroom. Today, let's learn about the quality inspection of brick walls, Part 1. This lesson explains two parts. 1. To put forward the quality requirements and do a good job of quality inspection. 2. To master the quality inspection and evaluation methods. Through this learning, we will master the essentials of wall quality inspection methods. First of all, let's look at the first part, putting forward the quality requirements and doing the quality inspection. The quality requirements must be disclosed when the technology is disclosed, and the team leader or quality officer should be assigned to the work. Do quality requirements disclosure. Before the operation, we must carefully learn the construction drawings, construction specifications, and quality inspection and evaluation standards, as well as master the quality requirements. Strictly abide by the construction operation procedures during construction, do a good job in the daily inspection of the quality of the teamwork, organize self-inspection and mutual inspection by the team and quality inspector after completing the product, and fill in the self-inspection record in a timely manner. The team organizes a quality inspection once a month, checks the system, the measures, the potential dangers, the physical objects, and the common quality problems, reports the problems in time, and corrects them within a time limit. On the basis of team self-inspection, a full-time quality personnel should strictly supervise and inspect all aspects of construction. For all concealed projects, the person in charge of the site should organize the inspection and fill in the records in a timely manner. The construction personnel should be familiar with the quality requirements and inspection methods of brick masonry. Next, let's look at the second part, to master the quality inspection and evaluation methods. 1. The allowable deviation of the axis is 10 mm. The detection method is to use theodolite and ruler or other measuring instruments for detection, and the number of detections, all bearing walls and columns. 2. The allowable deviation of the elevation of the foundation, wall, and column header face is plus or minus 15 mm, and the detection method is to use a level and ruler to detect, and the number of detections should not be less than 5. 3. The allowable deviation of each layer of wall verticality is 5 mm. The inspection method is to use a 2-meter support board for inspection, and the number of random inspections is not less than 5. 4. Wall verticality detection. When the total height of the wall is less than or equal to 10 meters, the allowable deviation is 10 mm. When the overall height is greater than 10 meters, the allowable deviation is 20 mm. The detection method is to use a theodolite, hanging wire and ruler, or other measuring instruments for testing. The number of random inspections is all the external corners of the exterior wall. 5. The allowable deviation of wall flatness, plain wall, and column is 5 mm. The allowable deviation of the plastered wall and column is 8 mm. The inspection method is to use a 2 meters running rule and feeler gauge, and the number of random inspections should not be less than 5. 6. Horizontal masonry joint straightness, allowable deviation of plain wall 7 mm, plastered wall. The allowable deviation is 10 mm, and the detection method is to pull the 10 meters line and ruler. The number of random inspections should not be less than 5. That concludes our lesson for today. Thank you all for watching.